about 4 weeks ago we had a P5 pit installed here by NBN in ready for fibre to the curb. We've just tried to replace this lick. The leading cable's been damaged and it doesn't move, so we've dug down and we've found at the pit entry that this is NBN's solution to extending lead-in pipes. This is an old P10 PVC pipe that was used 30 plus years ago, and this is their connection with the new P20. They've just slid it to drop the leading cable in it, but look, foot, that doesn't even reach. So there's a good inch too short there, and that was just buried in the dirt and covered back up. So in the event that the client needed a new cable pulled in, they wouldn't be able to do it. It'd get thrown backwards and forwards until they send out a civils team to repair it. So we're going to replace it and pull in a new leading cable in preparation for the NBN. So now we've removed the piece that NBN installed. It was too short. We've run a new section of pipe in, put a flange on it, and now we're just starting to close the temperature. So we're going to replace this lead in all the way in, and then we're going to pull a Cat 6 polyethylene underground cable through it for fibre to the curb.